This is gonna be for a couple of minutes. Damn, I forgot. I don't know. That was way over there somewhere. I don't know. I don't know. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, it's over here then, huh? Why the hell that car's there for then? Damn. I mean, there's somewhere out there as well, man. Particle, so I'm not afraid because I'm right here, man. I'm facing the light. Don't you okay, I need that for let me use do. Oh, it's just taking that and that. That's it. That's how big it's throwing is. That's how much we need. And I'm good. A couple minutes. Doesn't matter. It's gonna be like dead. Storm's probably dead now. I can tell that storm's probably dead now. I'll wait a few minutes just to make sure. You see how many minutes? That's why I put these curtains here so I could get a better cloud feel. Well, I will not post these until Friday and maybe Saturday or possible Sunday. Well, for all these videos will be posted on before Monday. Yep, it's way over there. It's over. What the heck I'm looking at? I'm looking at the damn. Okay, that's it. It's clearing up. See a little blue flashes blue on my camera. We're on their watch. Okay, so that's all we're gonna have today, and that's the only chance we get. Tomorrow, if we have thunderstorm, I'm not even gonna record it because I'm not in the mood for it. Tomorrow will be just thunderstorms, it won't be severe because the chances, the rotation. Unless this one might hit us, unless this one might hit us, I don't know. Uh-oh.
Reckless driving, quickly worked his way up to Grand Theft Auto, resisting arrest.
Sirens are going off. Sirens are going off.
Oh, hell they are, Jim.
Sirens are going off.
Tornado sirens.
There's rotation. There's rotation right there. There's some rotation over there. Sirens are going off. We might be on the. We are not under a tornado warning though. The sirens are going off, but we're not under a tornado warning though. But there is some rotation over there. But there's gonna be some down there. I'm seeing rotation right now. It's spinning a little bit. I told you. Signs are going off.
We do have a severe thunderstorm warning is down into Fulton County. We'll zoom in here and show you what's happening down there. That warning is in effect until about 8:45. Looks like it's moving into Kosciuszko County, where we may have a severe thunderstorm warning issued here shortly. So if you're watching us from the Disco community down there, that's 8:42 your ETA. Also, Silver Lake 8:52 in the Claypool, just short of 9 o'clock. No warning in effect for that storm yet either. Again, if you're watching us from St. Joseph County in Indiana,
Let's clean up. It might.
to Niles in southwest lower Michigan, between Niles and Edwardsburg, this storm's really starting to look mean. It's certainly showing some signs of rotation. We want you to take cover if you're in the path of this storm. Again, no official warning for here just storm, but it does certainly get.
Listen. I was about to start recording and tell her the sign is going on. Whoa. Alright, signs are shut down. We're not under a tornado warning though, that's a good thing.
We have a tornado watch in effect for all of us till 1 o'clock in the morning Eastern time. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect for
Okay.
County until 8:45 if you're watching us from around 9.
We have wind.
Stay tuned. We'll be watching that storm very closely. We'll have another weather update in just a few minutes. Right now, back to programming.
Mom, look. We're not under a tornado warning though. But that's a good thing. The signs probably went off because of the wind.
Just salt and pepper the chicken.
Man.
I mean pepper it.
I didn't put nothing.
The reason signs are going off because of the wind.
What I put was
Gotta be a reason why the signs going off. We're not under a tornado warning, but we have wind. That might be a reason why. I can make another video, but it's not gonna be on YouTube though. So this is not over.
Maybe. Yeah, well, go look, man.
Ah, forget it. It won't go nowhere. It won't fly away. So this is, we're not done yet though. I was about to start recording until I hear something. I think about it, it's not the science because I can hear them. We're not under a tornado warning though. That's a good thing. That is a good thing, but that is a good thing. But can I ask you what else? The tornado watch is not touching our town though. Next part.